Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the input source for your Hisense Smart TV. First, you're gonna have to indicate the source button on your Pilot. It's located in the top right corner of the Pilot. Just press on it once and then use the down arrow key to go to the input selection. You can navigate here using left and right arrow keys. The connected port will be indicated, and to change to it, just press OK. And right now you are connected to the other source. To go back from here, just press the source button once again and you'll return to the home menu. Alternatively, you can just press the home button, which is located right here below the down arrow key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.